Well, it's official. It is now signed into law that Uber and Lyft driver rates are rising. This is huge, historic news, which we're gonna dive into. But before I do, I wanted to tell you guys, if you're looking for a new way to make money, you can literally print money on TikTok Shop. It's a way that you can promote items like this little digital camera. There's tons of other products you can promote. I have a link below teaching you how to do it, how to set up your shop, and how to start making money. As you can see, I've been making a lot of money on TikTok. TikTok is a great side hustle that I've been earning. This is just TikTok paid me 14,000 bucks. TikTok paid me $4,000, 7,000 bucks, 4,000 bucks. TikTok is a way that I make money, and you can too now. So sign up below. TikTok Shop is the best and easiest way to start earning income. You don't need to show your face, you don't need followers, you don't need experience. And right now there's a 30-day free trial to my program that you can sign up and learn how to get started. Okay, pay rates for Uber and Lyft drivers is now a law after a 2-year fight. For 2 stinking years, Uber and Lyft drivers have been fed up and they've been protesting, they've been striking, people saying, oh, protests don't work, they don't work. Literally they do, okay? Because pay minimums now take effect January 1st. So in about 6 months, are we about 6 months in? Because January, February, March, April, May. Oh no, I guess we're only 5 months in. So we got 7 months left. Pay minimums take effect January 1st, and the apps say they will stay in the Twin Cities. Governor Tim Walz held a ceremonial bill signing Tuesday for legislation that sets pay minimums for Uber and Lyft drivers. What do you guys think about that? Are you signing up to drive for Uber and Lyft again? It provides the drivers with new insurance provisions, but does not lock drivers into independent contractor status as other states' law have. Walt's signature comes after he vetoed a similar measure last year. So this is also, I believe, going to be compensating for drivers like having no paid time off, having no medical benefits, having no paid sick time. So instead of giving drivers that, they're just going to raise the rates. So the rates of $1.28 per mile and 31 cents per minute were lower than what drivers advocated had hoped for, but leaders say the law will mean drivers' pay will rise about 20% when the rates take effect January 1st. So obviously this is only in Minnesota, but this could be heading to other states as well. So let me know your thoughts on this. And again, if you want to sign up for the TikTok Shop program and start making some really good money, you can sign up with the link below. And again, these are just some of my earnings that TikTok has paid me here. You know, these are just single day payouts that I've been getting, and you know, it's life-changing money. But hey, this is the internet now. This is how you make good money on the internet, is TikTok Shop right now. People are making crazy amounts of money. So 30-day free trial right now. You can try it out, cancel anytime. Otherwise, talk to you soon. Bye now.